From a medical perspective, nuts have long been recognized as one of the essential foundations of a healthy diet. And this is not by chance. Despite their small size, nuts contain an incredible concentration of nutrients, offering numerous significant health benefits. They are a rich source of vitamins, minerals, healthy fats, and antioxidants, all essential elements that promote heart health, improve brain function, and protect the body from inflammatory triggers. With such nutritional characteristics, nuts are not only a healthy snack, but also a perfect addition to meals. However, from a doctor's point of view, not all nuts provide the same nutritional value. Some nuts stand out for their health benefits, while others have limitations that need attention, especially when consumed improperly or overly processed. For example, many natural nuts are high in calories, and if portion control is not observed, they can contribute to unwanted weight gain. Furthermore, some nuts, when processed, are often supplemented with salt, sugar, or unhealthy oils, which can diminish their nutritional value and turn them from a healthful food into a potential cause of problems like high blood pressure or increased inflammation. It is important to understand the differences between various types of nuts to make smarter dietary choices. Remember that nutrition is an integral factor in protecting and improving health. As a doctor, I encourage you to consume nuts in a scientific way, choosing the right types in the right manner and in the proper quantities to optimize the benefits this natural food offers. Let's explore the best nuts for health and how they can play an important role in your daily diet. Before we continue, I've noticed that engagement has decreased a bit. If you enjoy this video, please take a moment to like, comment, and share. This will help more people discover this content. Now let's start with 7 nuts you should eat. 1. Flax seeds. Flax seeds are an excellent source of plant-based omega-3 fatty acids, particularly alpha-linolenic acid ALA, which helps reduce inflammation and protects heart health. Omega-3s from flax seeds have a powerful anti-inflammatory effect, lowering the risk of cardiovascular diseases and improving blood circulation. In addition, flax seeds are rich in lignans, a group of antioxidants that may help reduce the risk of certain cancers, particularly breast and prostate cancer. These lignans prevent cancer cell growth and reduce the impact of free radicals in the body. Besides cardiovascular and cancer benefits, flax seeds are high in soluble fiber. This fiber helps regulate blood sugar and cholesterol levels, which is crucial for managing diabetes risk factors and reducing bad cholesterol, (LDL). Flax seeds also support digestion, reduce constipation, and maintain a healthy gut. Moreover, flax seeds have anti-inflammatory properties, which can help alleviate arthritis symptoms and maintain a healthy body weight. Studies also suggest that flax seeds can reduce appetite thanks to their high fiber and healthy fat content, making them effective for weight management. However, to absorb the maximum nutrients from flax seeds, they should be consumed ground, as their tough outer shell reduces the body's ability to absorb their valuable nutrients. You can add ground flax seeds to smoothies, cereals, or bread for optimal benefits. Dr. 2. Almonds. Almonds are one of the most popular nuts globally, and their health benefits are widely recognized. One of the reasons almonds are recommended so often is because they are rich in heart-healthy, monounsaturated fats. These fats are known for their ability to lower bad cholesterol, LDL levels, while maintaining or even raising good cholesterol, HDL levels. This balance is crucial in reducing the risk of heart disease, one of the leading causes of death worldwide. Almonds are also an excellent source of magnesium, a mineral that helps regulate blood pressure and improves blood sugar control for individuals with type 2 diabetes or at risk of developing the condition. Almonds are also beneficial for those trying to manage their weight. They have fewer calories than many other nuts, but are still packed with nutrients, making them a nutrient-dense and filling snack option. The combination of healthy fats, protein, and fiber helps increase satiety, meaning you will feel fuller for longer after eating almonds, which can reduce overall calorie intake throughout the day. Additionally, studies suggest that not all the fat in almonds is absorbed by the body, meaning you may be consuming fewer calories than initially estimated. Almonds are also an excellent source of vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect the skin from oxidative damage, keeping it youthful and healthy. Vitamin E is also known to boost immune function and reduce inflammation, making almonds a versatile nut that promotes both external and internal health. Harmony for Health. Tip: almonds make an excellent snack, but be sure to consume them in moderation to optimize health benefits without increasing your calorie intake. Service 3. Benefits of chia seeds. Chia seeds are an excellent source of essential nutrients for the body, especially fiber, protein, and plant-based omega-3 fatty acids. They are an ideal choice for those seeking a plant-based protein source in their diet. Chia seeds are not only nutrient-rich, but also contain a significant amount of calcium, magnesium, and iron, all of which are essential for maintaining bone and muscle health and supporting growth and recovery processes. One of the standout features of chia seeds is their ability to absorb water, forming a gel when soaked in liquid. This helps maintain a feeling of fullness for longer, reducing hunger and potentially aiding in weight loss. Chia seeds provide a large amount of soluble fiber, which improves digestion and promotes a healthy gut, preventing constipation and other digestive issues. Incorporating chia seeds into your daily diet can have long-term health benefits. You can add chia seeds to smoothies, salads, or use them for breakfast to improve energy levels and stay alert throughout the day. Thanks to their high nutritional value and versatility in preparation, chia seeds are a great addition to a healthy diet. Sugar 4. Walnuts. Walnuts are often considered a brain food due to their high content of omega-3 fatty acids, especially alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a plant-based omega-3 that is crucial for brain function and overall cognitive health. These fats help reduce inflammation, protect the brain from age-related cognitive decline, and may lower the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Studies have shown that regular walnut consumption can improve memory, focus, and mood, making them an ideal choice for maintaining brain health as we age. In addition to promoting brain function, walnuts are rich in antioxidants that protect the body from the harmful effects of free radicals. These unstable molecules can cause oxidative stress, leading to chronic inflammation and increasing the risk of diseases such as cancer and heart disease. The polyphenols found in walnuts have been shown to reduce inflammation in the body, making them a powerful anti-inflammatory food. Additionally, walnuts can benefit heart health by improving cholesterol levels. Their high content of healthy fats helps reduce LDL cholesterol while increasing HDL cholesterol, similar to the effects of almonds. This makes walnuts a heart-healthy addition to your diet, especially when consumed in moderation as part of a balanced meal plan. 5. Sunflower seeds. Sunflower seeds are a nutrient-rich food, offering high levels of vitamin E, magnesium, and selenium, all of which help protect the body from oxidative damage and maintain healthy skin. They contain healthy unsaturated fats, which help lower LDL cholesterol levels and protect cardiovascular health. Moreover, sunflower seeds are rich in protein and fiber, which contribute to long-lasting satiety, making them an effective choice for weight management. With their high folic acid content, they are essential for cell growth and nerve function, making them an ideal option for pregnant women or those in a growth phase. However, sunflower seeds can often be processed with added salt, turning them into a source of unwanted sodium. To control sodium intake, you may want to choose unprocessed sunflower seeds or those without added salt. 6. Pistachios. Pistachios are a fantastic nut for those looking to manage their weight and improve heart health. Despite their small size, pistachios are packed with nutrients, providing high amounts of protein and fiber relative to their calorie content. The combination of protein and fiber makes pistachios an ideal snack for those aiming to lose or maintain weight, as they help you feel fuller longer, reducing the likelihood of overeating. Moreover, pistachios are one of the lower calorie nuts, with around 49 pistachios per serving, making portion control easier compared to more calorie-dense options. In addition to their weight management benefits, pistachios are also heart healthy. Like almonds and walnuts, pistachios are rich in monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, both of which help lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Pistachios also contain a unique combination of lutein and zeaxanthin, two antioxidants that are particularly beneficial for eye health. These antioxidants protect the eyes from the harmful effects of blue light and reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration. Additionally, pistachios are good for gut health, as their fiber acts as a prebiotic, feeding beneficial bacteria in the gut and promoting a healthy microbiome. A healthy gut is essential for proper digestion, immune function, and even mental health, making pistachios a great all-around nutritional choice. 7. Brazil nuts. Brazil nuts are one of the most nutrient-dense nuts available, with their standout feature being their incredibly high selenium content. Selenium is a trace mineral that plays a critical role in thyroid health, helping regulate thyroid hormone production and ensuring optimal thyroid function. Just 1 or 2 Brazil nuts a day can meet or even exceed the recommended daily intake of selenium, making them a powerful food for supporting thyroid health. In addition to supporting the thyroid, selenium is also a potent antioxidant that helps reduce inflammation and protect cells from oxidative damage, making Brazil nuts an excellent food for boosting the immune system and protecting against chronic diseases like cancer. Research has shown that adequate selenium intake is linked to a reduced risk of several types of cancer, including prostate, lung, and colorectal cancers. Brazil nuts also provide a healthy dose of magnesium, copper, and phosphorus, all of which are essential for maintaining strong bones, healthy skin, and overall vitality. However, it's important to consume Brazil nuts in moderation due to their high selenium content. Eating too many can lead to selenium toxicity, which can cause symptoms such as hair loss. Before we move on to the next topic, please support the Harmony for Health channel by subscribing and liking. Your support is the biggest motivation for our team to keep creating even better content. Thank you so much. Now let's explore 4 types of nuts you should avoid. 1. Macadamia nuts. Macadamia nuts are popular for their rich, buttery flavor, but this comes with a nutritional price. They are one of the highest calorie nuts, containing a significant amount of fat per serving. While they do contain heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, their high fat content makes it easy to overconsume, leading to weight gain. Just a handful of macadamia nuts can contain over 200 calories, and their addictive flavor makes it difficult to stop at just 1 serving. Another downside is their relatively low protein content. While other nuts like almonds and pistachios offer a good balance of protein and fat, macadamia nuts are mostly fat, providing little protein for muscle building. Additionally, macadamia nuts are often processed with salt or sugar, further reducing their nutritional value. The combination of high fat, calories, and potential additives makes macadamia nuts less than ideal, especially for those looking to manage their weight. 2. Chestnuts. Chestnuts are unique because they have lower fat content and higher carbohydrates compared to other nuts. While this may sound like a benefit, it actually means that chestnuts provide fewer essential nutrients, making them less effective as a healthy snack. Chestnuts provide less protein and healthy fats than almonds, walnuts, or cashews, making them less effective in promoting satiety or supporting muscle health. The high carbohydrate content of chestnuts can also be a concern for those managing blood sugar levels, as chestnuts have a higher glycemic index than other nuts, which means they can cause blood sugar spikes if consumed in excess. For individuals with diabetes or those on a low-carb diet, chestnuts may not be the best option. Furthermore, chestnuts lack the heart-healthy omega-3 fatty acids found in other nuts, making them less beneficial for heart health compared to walnuts or almonds. While chestnuts may be a seasonal treat, they don't provide the same nutritional density as other nuts and may not be the best choice for those looking to improve overall health. 3. Pine nuts. Pine nuts are a staple in many Mediterranean dishes, but they may not be the best choice for regular consumption. A major issue with pine nuts is their price. Pine nuts are one of the most expensive nuts on the market, making them a difficult option for those on a limited budget. While they contain healthy fats and some beneficial nutrients, their high cost can be a significant barrier for many people looking to incorporate nuts into their daily diet. Another problem with pine nuts is their potential to cause pine mouth syndrome, a condition where consumers experience a bitter, metallic taste in their mouth for days after eating pine nuts. While this condition is not harmful, it can make eating uncomfortable. Pine mouth syndrome may be caused by certain varieties of pine nuts, but the exact cause is still unclear. Additionally, pine nuts are high in omega-6 fatty acids, which can contribute to inflammation if consumed in excess, especially when Western diets are already high in omega-6 and low in omega-3s. Pine nuts also spoil easily if not stored properly, affecting their flavor and nutritional value. 4. Peanuts, ground nuts. Peanuts are one of the most common nuts worldwide, but they come with significant health risks. First, peanuts are one of the most common food allergens, with millions of people globally affected by peanut allergies. Peanut allergies can be life-threatening, and even trace amounts of peanuts can cause severe reactions in sensitive individuals, making peanuts a risky food for many, especially in households with nut allergies. Another major concern with peanuts is their susceptibility to aflatoxin contamination. Aflatoxins are toxic compounds produced by molds, and peanuts are particularly prone to contamination by these molds. Aflatoxins can harm the liver and have been linked to an increased risk of liver cancer. Although quality control measures are in place to minimize aflatoxin contamination, the risk remains, making peanuts less ideal compared to other nuts. Furthermore, peanuts are often processed with unhealthy oils and coated with excessive salt or sugar, turning them from a healthy nut into a high-calorie, low-nutrient snack that promotes inflammation and weight gain. Peanuts also have a high omega-6 fatty acid content, which can promote inflammation if consumed in excess without proper balance with omega-3s. Conclusion. In conclusion, nuts are undeniably a powerhouse of nutrition and can be an essential part of a healthy diet when consumed in the right amounts and with proper attention to quality. From heart-healthy fats to essential vitamins and minerals, these small but mighty foods offer a multitude of benefits. However, it's crucial to be mindful of the types of nuts you choose, as some may have drawbacks that can affect your health, especially when consumed excessively or processed with unhealthy additives. As we've discussed, certain nuts, like macadamia and peanuts, may not be the best choices for everyone, especially for those who need to control their weight or are sensitive to allergens. On the other hand, nuts such as almonds, walnuts, and flax seeds are excellent options for supporting heart health, brain function, and overall wellness. Remember, balance is key in any diet. Choosing the right nuts in moderation can help you maximize their health benefits without overindulging in calories or harmful additives. If you found this information helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and share this video with your friends and family. This will help us reach more people and continue to provide valuable health insights. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and updates. Wishing you good health and a happy lifestyle.